Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to configure the EOS update notifier. So in EndeavourOS you can do the update of the system using the script. So there are some scripts written, automatic scripts. So whenever you open the welcome app and you will click here update system EA, so only the AUR packages will be updated via the EA. If you click here, that is the update system EOS update EA. So in this AUR packages as well as the Arch and the EndeavourOS packages will be updated. So this will update the complete EndeavourOS, including the Arch packages, the EndeavourOS packages as well as the AUR packages. So all the three get updated. So for that the script has been written. So it is, you can say it is an application, small application or a small script that will do the work automatically for you. So you need not type the terminal commands every time to do the update of your system. So you have to click it here, configure EOS update notifier. So it will open up another window, and here you can reset the configuration of the EOS update notifier. You can edit the config, you can even schedule the operations for the updation, and you can also do operation test. So click here on the edit configuration. So it will open up the configuration file for you in the edit mode. So here you can see there are some commented lines. So you have to take the cue from the commented lines, so you will get a good guidance from the commented lines. For example, check news while updating. So here it is given the comment check news while updating. So and below there is this command line, so allow news check while updating. So there are the two options, yes or no. So I have chosen to do the news check while updating. So it will check for the latest Arch news and the EndeavourOS news, and it will show you on the screen while the update is going on. So here you can see. Next is Arch news program equal to EOS Arch news. Preferred tray notification or small window for notifying updates. So there is some notes is also available, so you can go through this. So at the bottom, this is the main command or main configuration for the show how about updates is equal to notify. So you can either choose between notify plus tray. So if you choose notify, there will be notification here. So it will be displayed here in the GNOME notifications if you have got a GNOME desktop. If you have got your KDE desktop, then you should choose notify plus tray. So it will be shown in the tray in the KDE desktop at the bottom on the panel. And also you can choose the tray or only window. So if you choose window, it will be shown as a window, special window, notifying you about the updates that are available. Further down, what info do you want to show about pending updates, number of updates or the package names? So for this, show what about updates is equal to number. So I have chosen the number, I have not chosen the packages. If you choose the packages, it will give a list of packages that can be updated or upgraded. Next is specify how long time the notification window will be shown until it closes automatically. So there are some options given here. So default is 30 seconds. You can increase or decrease the timeout. So I have chosen to the notification to be displayed for 30 seconds as it is in default. I have not changed it, but you can change it. You can have it 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever you want. So then after that, the sync after update option is there. So update notify icon equal to system software update. So this is, I have not changed, it is okay. Once you have done this, you have to use Control O. So it will save the configuration file, and then you have to do Control X. It will shut down this window. That's it. So we are done with the configuration. So this is how you have to do the configuration of the EOS update notifier as per your requirements. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video with different information about Linux system. Bye bye.